When it comes to building a house, the roof is usually the hardest thing to do. However, it's not going to be that hard if you use one of these roofs that require the same roof rafter pattern, the same design, one pattern that you can use to lay out all of the rafters in that house. And you don't have to do it exactly like I have it here. You don't need an overhang for a shed roof. However, I do recommend a seat cut. I know a lot of people are like, no, I'm not putting a seat cut in my shed roof. Well, knock yourself out. I like the preferred methods for building that carpenters have been using for decades and maybe even centuries. And of course, a shed roof is going to be easier to build than a gable roof. However, the good news again, you only need one rafter pattern. The rafters on each side should be exactly the same. And again, you can lay out the tops and bottoms differently if you need to. So again, gable roof rafter, the one that's going to be on this side is going to be the exact same rafter as the one on this side. Again, making your job a little easier. And that's the main point I'm trying to drive home in this video. And for those of you crazy builders out there who are looking for something different, you might want to build something like this. And this is often referred to as a butterfly roof design. And I would imagine that's because it looks like it has two wings, one on each side. However, in this example here, you will be using the same rafters for each side, but you will need to modify the ends. These rafters are going to be a little different. However, I don't expect it to be difficult enough for you to figure out how to cut them. And I will be making another video. I do not have a video on this in my garage building series. And I would definitely recommend you checking those out at our website. And to get there, you can click on the Home Building tab, then the Garage tab, and then you should come to a list of different types of roof framing for a two-car garage like we have here. So here you can see where the rafters are sitting on top of the beam. You can always lower the beam if you need to, or raise it, or rotate the roof 90 degrees so that the beam is not sitting on top of the garage door header. And there you have it, 3 different types of roofs that you can build by figuring out the length of one rafter.